In this video, I'm going to take you guys on a trip to Zagreb, the capital city of Croatia. Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. This here is the central square of Zagreb, the capital city of Croatia. Beautiful flower and plant market in the city center. This is an open market, just like how I see in India, but less crowded and more well maintained. So this what you see here, it is called as Dolac Market and it is very nice. You have lots of vegetables and fruits here. What you see in the background is the Zagreb Cathedral. It is hardly 2-3 minutes walk from the city center and the Dolac Market. It is still under construction. This is old stone gate with Virgin Mary shrine. The beautiful church that you see in the background is Saint Mark's Church and it looks so beautiful. And the opening times are 6 in the morning and 6 in the evening. So that is the mass time when it opens. This is the oldest building of Zagreb. It is called Lotrsak. This is just few minutes walk from the St. Mark's Church. Don't miss the cannon shot that happens at noon at the tower because it is something you will enjoy. Now I'm walking towards the Greek tunnel, which is also in the city center and is famously known as World War II tunnel, which was built in 1943. And its primary purpose was to shelter the civilians from frequent bombings during the World War II. Currently it is transformed into a touristic attraction and hosting temporary exhibition. Basically, you can cover entire Zagreb in just one day, even with visiting the museum. This is a vortex tunnel. You can see how it looks. Oh my God. My head is spinning. Oh shit. Oh, it's interesting. So I felt like I'm fainting. I was going round and round. Now look at this image as we pass. It will keep on changing the picture. This here is an infinity mirror. You can keep on looking, but it never ends. Here you don't see anything, and now check it out. Check this out. This is like one of the witches movie. Now check this. There's nothing. Check here. This is the infinity room. Oh, so many of me here. Wow. The Museum of Illusion costs you 12 euro, but I must say it was fun to be inside, so you must go for sure. And if you guys like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.